Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing and signing in so you can join meetings quickly. Open the App Store, download Microsoft Teams, and grant microphone and camera access when prompted. Once done, tap Sign In and enter your work, school, or personal Microsoft account credentials. Make sure multi-factor prompts are approved if required. You want notifications enabled so chat and calls arrive. Now check the app's initial permissions and notification settings so Teams runs reliably in the background. Next, focus on joining and creating meetings plus managing chats. Open Calendar to join scheduled meetings or tap Meet Now to start instantly. Choose audio and video sources before entering. Use chat to message individuals or groups. Tap the paperclip to attach files from OneDrive or your tablet, and use it mentions to grab attention. Once done, pin frequent chats and adjust notification tones. Make sure you know where the mute and camera buttons are so you control presence during. Finish by optimizing settings and preparing for common problems. Open settings to set your preferred ringtone, manage app storage, and choose default audio output. Switch to a Bluetooth headset if needed. During a call, tap the More menu to change camera, enable captions, or blur your background for privacy. If audio or video fail, restart the app, check for OS or Teams updates, and clear the app cache. If that fails, reboot the tablet and reconnect to your Wi-Fi before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.